So we're gonna take the cherry tomato plant down as it reach probably the end of its life. Creo que esta planta está llegando al final de su vida. You still have some growth there, some little growth here and over there. Tiene un poquitito de crecimiento, but I think it's enough because that's only happening on the top. Tiene crecimiento de nuevos brotes solamente en la parte de arriba. But if you look at the rest of the stem, it's all clean. So I'm just gonna take it down and use the room for something else. No sé si dije algo en español, pero voy a empezar a cortar esta planta de tomate. Look at these tomatoes. It's a tiny leaf coming, la hojita muy pequeña. Can't even see it, so yeah. That's it. That's nostalgia. More doing. And I do have a clone of this plant. Ya tengo un clon de esta planta. So, a clone and a couple babies too. Un clon y un par de hijos. Seedlings. If we look down here, we move the main plant around. Out of the way. Movemos la menta. Podemos ver que tenemos that seedling and that one right there. Tenemos esas dos plantitas de tomate. So we're gonna keep those maybe in the same pot for now. We're gonna change them to a different location. What I'm thinking is that, let me see. Yeah, let's do this. We're gonna cut this right here. Cut it like that. And now, maybe again as an experiment, they could just try to grow this as a clone. Because like, there's tiny growth there and everything above. Tiene crecimiento desde ahí, from that branch, up. Right here. Vamos a cortarla aquí. We have this branch. Tenemos esta rama. And we can try, who knows? Podemos tratar de crecer un par de clones acá. We can try to grow a couple clones. This one is not broken yet. We can try to grow this too. Who knows? Maybe something grows. Because like I said, there's some little tiny growth on this one. Este tiene un poquitito de ramitas. And this one also a little bit smaller. Un poco más chico, but it still have growth. So we're just gonna put this in water and see. And who knows, maybe it works. Quizá funcione. So these plants need to be transplanted. Well, we can do that right now. Or I could even leave them in this pot. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna leave them here. You know what? I'm gonna put the clone here. Vamos a poner el clon acá mismo. Ahí. There. And if it grows roots, perfect. If it doesn't, well, that's good too. Yeah, we're gonna put both clones here. There. See what happens. So we're gonna move this to the front. Look how the tower is doing, huh? Miren cómo está creciendo la torre con vegetales. And the other tomato that I pruned in that video. So what I can do is move this a little bit. Because what I want is to put this pea plant, la plantita de arveja, I want to put it over there. Yep. It's perfect. Right there. I like how the mint goes everywhere, and just so you know, the mint is a pretty good deterrent for insects or bugs. Menta es una súper buen, ¿cómo se puede decir? Es como un insecticida natural que mantiene a los insectos lejos. Algún tipo de insecto. Some type of bugs, not all of them. Maybe move this out of the way and put it for the bee. Yeah, something like that. There. We're gonna eat these tomatoes. Also, we're gonna feed the bunny, the little branches. Vamos a darle las ramitas al conejo. I like some. Yeah, apparently Bunny approves. Al conejín le gustó las ramitas de tomate. Okay, that's it. Thank you. That's it. Nos vemos, chao. Bye.